What's going on, guys? So we're getting ready for our local Christmas parade here. For the last few years, we've done our towns, Lower Township, North Cape May, where we grew up and where most of our properties are. We don't do like all of them. I know a lot of people will do like every parade, every town has one. Not even really for advertisement. We do this because we're born and raised here. Everyone that works for us lives in this area, and this area is the foundation of how everything was built. So our way of kind of giving back, I guess, is getting involved in township activities, sponsoring, doing parades, things like that. But I'll show you our setup real quick. Nothing's set up yet, but kind of what we're doing. So we have the F-250 with the mowing trailer. This is going to be kind of lights. We're gonna put presents around here, stuff on the back, something big in there. And then up front, we have the dump trailer. Show you real quick. The dump trailer and the landscape trailer, or the landscape truck, dump truck. So this, we're gonna have a big blow up in here, a big blow up in there, and then same thing, do a bunch of presents all over the place, lights everywhere. It's gonna be pretty cool. So bear with me, guys. We're gonna get set up in a couple hours, and I'll kind of show you everything we did and our setup and how we got everything going. So stay tuned. Yes,